our chapter is going on number system, and today's subtopic is laws of exponent. This is the last part of this chapter. Okay. So what is the laws of exponent? Exponents means what? We can say exponent is in other words power or index. For example, a raised to the power n. This a is base and n is called exponent or index or power. Okay. Where a is greater than 0 and mn or you can choose any alphabet here. A raised to the power p multiplied by a raised to the power q. Okay. Base is same here and multiplication is there. Base is same, so you can write this a raised to the power p plus q. If base is same, then you can take the addition of power or index. You can take the addition of indices. Second, this is number 1. Second, a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n. Here again base is same, so you can take the subtraction of indices or of the power. Okay, but when n is greater than 0, in that condition you can take the subtraction. For example, 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 minus 2, that is 5, isn't it? Here a raised to the power p multiplied by q raised to the power a raised to the power q means 4 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 2 means square is equal to 4 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is 4 raised to the power 5. Is that clear? Third law, a raised to the power n divided by a raised to the power n is equal to 1 upon a raised to the power m minus n when n is greater than n, isn't it? For example, 7 raised to the power 3 divided by 7 raised to the power 5. Now this 5 is greater, so you can write this 7 raised to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. Like this you can solve. Okay, next is किसी भी नंबर का पावर अगर 0 हो, किसी भी नंबर का पावर अगर 0 हो तो आंसर ऑलवेज 1 होता है. इफ a raised to the power 0, that is answer is 1. 100 raised to the power 0, answer is 1. 1000 raised to the power 0, answer is 1. 5 raised to the power 0, answer is 1. Next is number 5. A raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. a raised to the power m उसका पावर n, so a raised to the power m multiplied by n. For example, 8 raised to the power 9 raised to the power 5. That means 8 raised to the power 9 multiplied by 5. 9 5s are 45. 8 raised to the power 45. Okay. Next is a multiplied by b raised to the power n. There are two numbers in the bracket. So अब a multiplied by b raised to the power m, यानी ये जो n है, ये जो पावर, ये दोनों के लिए कॉमन है, यानी a का भी पावर है और ये b का भी पावर है. Is that clear? 5 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 7. That means ये जो 7 है ये 5 का भी पावर है और ये 8 का भी पावर है. You can write this like this. और suppose उल्टा हो, 5 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 7, then you can write 5 multiplied by 8 raised to the power 7. Vice versa. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, आप वैसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Next is what? 7th, a raised to the power minus n. That means 1 upon a raised to the power n. 9 raised to the power minus 3 that means 1 upon 9 raised to the power 3. एक और है, मान लो माइनस a upon b raised to the power minus 3 that means a upon b raised to the power 1 upon, ये भी हो सकता है, या फिर b upon a raised to the power 3 ऐसा भी होता है. a upon b raised to the power minus 3 means b upon a raised to the power 3, ये equal ही है. Is that clear? Now next we will start we are taking some examples now. Number 1, 2 raised to the power 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1 upon 3. So what is 2 raised to the power? Base is same, so take the addition of power. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power. So 2 plus 1 base is same, 3 upon 3, that is answer is 2. 3 upon 3. Is that clear? Next, second example. 3 raised to the power 1 upon 5 raised to the power 4. जब पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. So is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 5 multiplied by 4, that is 3 raised to the power 4 upon 5, like this. Next, is 7 raised to the power 1 upon 5 divided by 7 raised to the power 1 upon 3 is equal to, अब base is same but division is there, so take the subtraction of power, exponent or indices. So 7 raised to the power 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3 minus 5 ones are 5 divided by 5 threes are 15, that is 7 raised to the power minus 2 upon 15. You can write this 1 upon 7 raised to the power 2 upon 15. Isn't it? One more example you want? Now we are taking some different examples. Okay, example 1. What is 4th root of 3 multiplied by 4th root of 27? Understood? 4th root of 3 multiplied by 4th root of 27. We can write this number like this: 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 27 raised to the power 1 upon 4. इसका मतलब एक ही तो हुआ ना, 4th root, यानी power is 1 upon 4. 4th root of 27 means the power of 27 is 1 upon 4. इसे radical sign भी बोलते हैं. What is it? It's radical sign. Square root, sign of root is, the new name is radical sign. Okay. So next, 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 27. You can write 27 in the form of 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, cube of 3. 27 is the cube of 3. 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 multiplied by 3. पावर का पावर होता है, पावर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है. 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4 means 3 upon 4. अब देखो base is same now, so you can take the addition of exponents or power is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, that is 3 raised to the power 4 upon 4 means 3 raised to the power 1, that is 3. Understood? Next example. Next is second example. 4th root of 81 multiplied by x raised to the power 8 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by z raised to the power 8. Sign is not there between numbers, that means always multiplication is there. Okay, we can write this in the form of 81 multiplied by x raised to the power 8 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by z raised to the power 8 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Isn't it? Fourth root of this number you can write like this, raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now 81 is the fourth power of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So you can write 81 in the form of 3 raised to the power 4. इसके लिए आपको स्क्वायर क्यूब्स लर्न होना बहुत जरूरी है. इज दैट क्लियर? अप टू 20 स्क्वायर्स अप टू 20 टेबल्स अप टू 20 क्यूब्स अप टू 20. इज दैट क्लियर? raised to the power x raised to the power 8 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by z raised to the power 8 raised to the power 1 upon 4. अभी अपन ने लॉ देखा है कि a multiplied by b raised to the power n means a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power n. यानी ये जो 1 upon 4 है ये सबके लिए कॉमन है, हर एक का पावर वो हो सकता है. तो देखते हैं 1 by 1. 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. पावर का पावर, तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन x raised to the power 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by y raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 and z raised to the power 8 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Clear? So what is next? 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. 4 cancel. 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? 3 multiplied by x raised to the power 2. Okay, multiplied by y raised to the power, nothing is there, 1 is there only, multiplied by z square. So what is the answer? 3x square y z square. Like this you can solve the rest examples. One more example we are taking. Okay, so 81 upon 16 raised to the power minus 3 by 4 multiplied by in the bracket 25 raised to 25 upon 9 raised to the power minus 3 by 2 divided by in the bracket 5 upon 2 bracket raised to the power minus 3. Okay, is equal to 81 is the power of fourth power of 3 divided by 16 is the fourth power of 2 raised to the power minus 3 by 4 multiplied by. Here 25 is the 5 square, 9 is the 3 square raised to the power minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, is equal to 3 by 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power minus 3 by 4, because a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m is equal to a upon b raised to the power m. We have to write the rule here, laws here, multiplied by. Here 5 by 3 raised to the power 2 bracket raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Okay, divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to. here अब देखो पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 3 by 2 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4 multiply. अब यहाँ पे पावर का पावर हो तो पावर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 multiplied by minus 3 divided by 2 divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, so what is the next? 4 cancel, that is 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by, here 2 cancel, 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay, now bracket close is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 means 3 by 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 divided by 2, or you can reverse it, 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, that means what? 3 by 2 means you can write 2 by 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 by 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. Is that clear? What I am doing here is equal to 2 by 3 or like this multiplied by 3 cube divided by 5 cube multiplied by 5 cube divided by 2 cube. Take the reciprocal of this. Okay, so 3 cube 3 cube, 2 cube 2 cube, 5 cube 5 cube. What is answer? Answer is 1. Like this you can solve the rest examples. Understood? Thank you.